Good morning, everyone. It's Marv Eisen here from Timeless Dollar, and today is Monday, September 13th. And I want to start off today with a real short video. Today's trading zone is at 44.81 for support and 45.04 for resistance. So here's the trading zone. I've marked it off on my chart. Prices have risen up to that. Close on Friday, September 10th, was at 44.61. So it looks like we're going to open with a substantial window today. So that might present a little bit of a dichotomy to traders because the trading zone says one thing. If the window closes, we're going to go down here. But I expect, because there's good news, I expect generally for the market to be up today. But that doesn't mean that you should. Anyway, I'm going to get this up on YouTube prior to the market open. Have a great trading day, and always be safe, use patience and caution. Marv Eisen, Timeless Dollar. See you on my next video.